Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic is do versus make. The words do and make are often confused. While they are similar, there are differences between them that must be noted. Do is used for daily activities. For example, do homework, do the dishes. Do is used when we refer to activities in general without being specific. In these cases, we normally use words like thing, something, nothing, anything, everything, and so on. Hurry up. I've got things to do. Don't just stand there. Do something. I'm not doing anything tonight. Do is also used in standard expressions, i.e. collocations. These are verb and noun combinations that have become standardized through usage, such as do one's best or do a favor. We sometimes use do to replace a verb when the meaning is clear or obvious. This is more common in informal spoken English. I need to do my hair. Here, the word do replaces brush or comb. Have you done the dishes yet? In this sentence, we'll replace the word washed with done. I'll do the kitchen later, meaning I'll clean the kitchen later. Make is for producing, constructing, creating, or building. It is also used with a preposition to indicate the origin of a product or the material used to make something. His wedding ring is made of gold. Wine is made from grapes. The watches were made in Switzerland. We also use make for producing an action or reaction. Onions make your eyes water. You make me happy. It's not my fault. My brother made me do it. Use make after certain nouns about plans and decisions. For example, make the arrangements. Make a choice. Use make with nouns about speaking and certain sounds. Make a comment. Make a noise. Make a speech. Use make with food, drink, and meals. Make a cake. Make a cup of coffee. Make dinner. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.